Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try green printed half sleeve shirt with white pants and white sneakers. Next you can try navy blue shirt with grey pants and white sneakers. Next you can try orange oversized t-shirt with 10 baggy jeans and 10 sneakers. Next you can try cream and black pattern shirt with white pants and cream loafers. Next you can try brown striped shirt with black pants and black shoes. Next you can try grey t-shirt with green pants and white sneakers. Next you can try white half sleeve shirt with light green pants and white sneakers. Next you can try sky blue shirt with 10 pants and 10 sneakers. Next you can try white oversized t-shirt with black funky jeans and sneakers. Next you can try red and teal green printed shirt with blue jeans and white sneakers. Watch this video to know 35 10 pants outfit ideas.